What's up, guys? So, my buddy Tyler Jolly over at GP Car Audio and his team for a while have been working on an amazing new subwoofer. The Team GP, this is the version 2, and this is a little video clip of the sub playing free air. It's an 18 playing free air uploaded by GP Audio. Let's check this out.
Go up a little more.
As y'all can tell, guys at GP are not playing around with this subwoofer. It's serious business. Look at this thing. Gauge of it cooling. So, guys, if you haven't already done it, be sure to smash the like button and head on over to Team GP Car Audio. Pick yourself up one of these dudes.